$112,000 is the average yearly gross revenue you can pull in with a lean home organization setup, and I am going to show you the exact framework to capture it. The secret to hitting a 65% net profit margin right away lies in a technical asset management trick that most mainstream creators completely ignore, which I will break down for you in just a couple of minutes. I recently interviewed a top-tier organizer in Austin who scaled from 0 to 8 active clients a month within 90 days. And we deconstructed their entire operations manual. You only need an initial capital investment of $750, which means your return on investment timeline is less than 3 weeks if you land just 2 standard residential projects. To make your business highly profitable from day one, you must follow this precise 4-stage execution roadmap. First, configure your business model around a low scale, minimum investment structure by utilizing a flat rate pricing system of $1,500 per standard 3-room project. The strategy requires a formal setup phase consisting of a basic limited liability company filing, a dedicated business bank account, and a simple 3-page digital portfolio. Okay, now let us dive into the actual real-world walkthrough of an average garage and pantry reorganization job so you can see how the numbers play out. You will charge $45 per hour for your initial strategy consultation, which typically takes 2 hours and converts 70% of prospects into paying clients. For a standard 1,200 square foot project, you will bill 60 hours of active labor at $75 an hour, bringing your service revenue to $4,500. Your material costs for containment units will average $900, which you mark up by 20% to generate an extra $180 of pure profit. The client pays for the supplies up front, meaning your out-of-pocket expense for inventory remains at absolute zero throughout the entire process. That Texas business owner told me that ignoring the storage container volume metric is why rookies fail, and honestly, that insight changed how I view space entirely. To execute this properly, you need the essential toolkit containing a heavy-duty measuring tape, a digital label maker, clear plastic bins, wooden hangers, drawer dividers, and heavy-duty sorting tarps. To simplify your setup, all of these required tools and instruments are tagged in the video in one full list, so you can easily add the items directly to your shopping cart right now. Now, remember that technical secret I mentioned earlier. It is called the spatial density ratio, and in calculating it before buying containers will save you 30% on every job. By measuring the exact cubic feet of shelf space against the item count, you eliminate supply returns and maximize your project speed by 2 full days. This operational efficiency allows you to easily manage 4 major projects every month while maintaining a part-time schedule of 25 hours per week. Your yearly operational expenses will hover around $4,200, covering basic liability insurance, fuel, and cloud scheduling software. This lean expense structure leaves you with an annual net profit of $72,800 from your very first year of full operation. And then as your referral rate hits the industry standard of 40%, you can increase your hourly consulting fee to $95 without losing client velocity. If you want to start building this asset today, your immediate action item is to take 3 specific steps before the sun goes down. First, download a free floor planning mobile application and practice measuring 3 distinct zones inside your own household to build your initial confidence. Second, photograph the before and after transformation of your personal kitchen pantry to serve as your very first digital portfolio piece for marketing. Finally, register your business name with your local state department to officially launch your new journey into high-margin home organization.